Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim12, back again with another video. Actually, perhaps it sounds making, but actually it's outside. The sound is so, it's crazy, man. It's a lot of sound, and yeah, that's what's up. So I have to explain a little bit of Instagram TV. I hope you guys that you came across it. Now, Instagram has officially launched the Instagram TV. Now, if you're using Instagram, actually, you can go check out my account at Abdurrahim113. I'll leave a link down below so as you can check it out. Then secondly, actually, the IGTV, what captured me is the IG. What they did is like a competition between YouTube and Instagram, but for the more info about it, which captured me, is just that we are posting videos as normal, but there is no a landscape video. It's only a portrait video. What I mean here is only vertical videos. So if you didn't know about it and you're thinking about posting videos actually using Instagram TV, actually you'll be using only the vertical video. So it's something which just it captured me, and I thought I could just share with you guys. And it's something which is dope. I can say it's dope because it's like competition. I just watched the MKBHD. What he said that between using this platform, switching between one platform to another platform, like we all know that there are a bunch of platforms out there which compete with YouTube, but we can say that Instagram TV is a certain way of sharing videos, not like the way we used to share on YouTube. Like we shoot videos on landscape and we put it on YouTube. Actually, it won't be the same. It will just be a game changer through video. Your video will be on a vertical mode, which it won't be that much cool. I hope you won't like it, but that's how Instagram just kept it. Now, those are something which is very great when I say about the Instagram concept to my own aspect. But that's what's up. So that's the Instagram TV. I hope you guys can go and check it out. You can download an app of Instagram TV. All the links will be down below so as you can go and check it out. So thank you guys for watching. This is an update of Instagram TV, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any question, you can leave a comments down below. It will be very amazing. And how do I yeah, it will be very amazing. Actually, the lens okay, whatever. Yeah, that's what's up. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. So stay creative, stay sharp, do what you gotta do to keep you creative. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Don't fall asleep at the